myself Saurabh, I am the executive staff at 4 Point Certain Cochin. Basically, the two steps are important. One is to making a dough, and the second is the making the stuffing. So we will come to the dough first. So the dough we have to take the like a refined flour. See that? So we will take 1 kg approx refined flour. We will add little bit of sugar, little salt, and then we'll add little milk. And then we'll add lukewarm water. The water is little bit warm, and we'll make it a dough. The dough is very easy to make. Like usually in homes also, you are making like the everyday chapati dough. In a similar pattern, you will make it with the maida. And though you have, when the dough is ready, you have to give resting to the dough for almost 10 to 15 minutes. So see, your dough is almost ready, and we have given the rest of the dough. So if you see that dough we have already that we have prepared, so that your time will not kill. So dough is almost ready. So we have to roll. We have already given rest 10 minutes to the dough. And we will make it like a seed. We have to seed this properly. And then we will apply the butter on the top. This is a similar platform we used to make the way that the way we make croissant. So again we have to seed, and this we have to do almost 6 times. So butter again we have to seed that. And then after that, after 6 times, you have to roll it like a pinwheel. And then keep there in the fridge, because butter will get set at the temperature of 5 degrees. You have to put it there in the fridge for almost 1 hour. So we have that already seated one. We have the rolls are ready. So the rolls should be look like that. And after that we have to cut it in a small pieces. So that first part we have almost done, and then we have to make rounders. Okay. And the second part now we have to come up with a stuffing. So stuffing, these are the ingredients are there which we will make the stuffing. Like we have potato, we have coriander, we have green chilies, we have onion. We have to add on all together. Like the potato we have to add, onion, green chili, coriander, then we have to add salt, jeera powder. We also have to add a little bit of and little chaat masala on it, and make it little chatpata, so that your stuffing should be chatpata but not over spice. We have a basic spice jeera, we are using it, and a little bit of juice, lemon juice. So stuffing is ready, and now we have to stuff that. Stuffing is already ready, the paver dough is already ready, so now we have to stuff. And now we have to make that tawa on. So ensure that the temperature of your tawa should be like 80 to 100 degrees, and then is almost the dough stuffing is ready. And now slowly, because if you press more, the stuffing will come. Slowly you have to. Because inside is full of butter. And also we have to put a coriander and the roasted jeera, little bit of kasturi methi. And when your tawa is hot, then you have to put it on like this. And usually the kulcha eaten by, like you have to eat with the chole, and chole kulcha is the combination. But at the moment this kulcha you can eat with plain curd and little bit of salad. So salad, now I'll prepare the salad. See the crunch and the color which is coming out. see the kulcha, the color. If you see the coriander, the crushed coriander, tulsira, the kasturi methi is already there. Crispy kulcha is ready, and we can serve the kulcha. We have to put one butter on top. Enjoy this kulcha at your home. Thank you. Any questions are there on that?
Like they were asking